Hapon po sa inyo lahat. Parang kalakas na kayo, Mike. Kami po ay aawit sa Panginoon. Kami ho yung mga secular teachers daw. Pero ako ho, sa totoo lang, ako nag-resign na. Ako hindi na ho nagtuturo ngayon sa secular. Kakatigil ko lang. Pero kami ho ay mga naging teacher. Ako ay naging teacher pa rin. Pero pwede pa rin bumalik sa pagtuturo. Ang aming pong awitin ay All Along. Habang tumatakbo po ang ating buhay, ay tinuturuan tayo ng Panginoon. Kami po bilang mga teachers ay tinuturuan pa rin ng Panginoon. Ano? Bagaman kami mga teacher, kami po yung mga student din ng Panginoon. At ang prayer po namin ay turuan kaming Panginoon, ng Panginoon patuloy na maging servant niya. So yun po yung nilalaman po ng awitin po na ito.
Time just slips away, and as I look back on the years, memories of happiness and bitter tears. Through it all there was a common thread that cannot be ignored. You were there, teaching me to be your servant, Lord. Been there all along. And every joy and pain had a reason of its own. And now I realize that I was not alone. The changing seasons of my life were not left up to chance. Lord, I know you were working to fulfill your plan. All along, your hand has been guiding me, shaping my life to be a beautiful song. All along, you led me through the things that you do would make me strong. And your love has been there all along. Tomorrow when I turn around and I look back at today, I will understand your purpose, and my thankful heart will say, all along, your hand has been guiding me, shaping my life to be a beautiful song. All along, and you led me through the things that you do would make me strong. And your love has been there all along. And your love has been there.